In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change favicon in System.io. A favicon is the tiny icon you see in your browser tab, bookmarks, and sometimes in search results. It might seem small, but it's a powerful branding element that helps people recognize your site at a glance. Before we begin, have your favicon file ready on your computer. The most common sizes are 16 by 16 pixels or 32 by 32 pixels. A square PNG with a transparent background usually looks crisp and professional, but an ICO file also works. Keep the design simple, high contrast, and clear at small sizes. Start by logging into your System.io account. Once you're in the dashboard, head to Settings. From there, open the Custom Domains section and then go into the settings for the domain you want to update. If you have multiple domains connected, make sure you're editing the correct one for the site where you want the favicon to appear. Inside your domain settings, look for the favicon section. This is where you'll add the small icon that represents your site. If you already have a favicon in place, you'll typically see a preview of it. To replace or add one, click Upload. Navigate to the image on your computer, select it and confirm. After the upload finishes, you should see your new favicon displayed in the preview area. If the image doesn't look quite right, double check that it's square and uses one of the recommended sizes. A clean, simple shape without thin lines or tiny text will usually produce the best result. Once the favicon is uploaded, give it a moment to process, then open your site in a new browser tab to see the change in action. If you don't see the new icon right away, don't worry. Browsers often cache favicons. Try refreshing the page, opening it in an incognito window, or waiting a few minutes for the update to propagate. You can also check on a different device to confirm that it's displaying correctly. A few tips before we wrap up. Avoid overly detailed images, since favicons are tiny. Leave a bit of padding around your icon so it doesn't look crowded. And if possible, test how it appears in both light and dark browser themes. Keeping the file size small helps it load quickly, and a descriptive file name makes it easy to manage later. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your favicon in System.io, giving your site a polished, recognizable touch. Thanks for watching and happy branding.